Hello mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video Surrealist Vlog again na muling nagsasabing enjoy life as always. For today's video guys, we're here na kung saan po may bagong pupuntahan dito lang sa Alcobar. Ito po yung Sandy Beach. I-discover at pupunta natin kung ano ang nilalaman nito. So let's go!
It's hard to understand me, but I keep my own boundaries. Why won't they do the same? I'm tired of being the nice guy. I know I shouldn't be the one complaining right now. I'm the one who did this to
Welcome to Saudi Arabia.
Welcome to Khobar. Let's name your
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. So guys, lilibutin natin kung ano ang nasa loob nito. Actually maraming mga iba't ibang lahi na pumupunta po dito para mag-unwind and of course for family bonding, kasi since weekend makikita nyo po dito napakaganda ng tanawin and of course talagang relaxing, diba? Makikita nyo kung may mga nakalatag ng mga banding and of course may mga sarili silang mga what to call this one, may mga sarili silang mga chair na dala-dala para sa relaxing moment ng buong pamilya, diba? So napakaganda, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Say hi. Maganda. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. So guys, inikat na po natin yung area of responsibility dito sa Sandy Beach, kung saan marami pong mga iba't ibang line na naganoon kasama pamilya. Dito pong kabilang side na to is yung Salt Bahar na binago rin ng Salt Bahar. So ngayon nga lang ay mahal lang siya ngayon kasi I think meron silang 50 reals each or 100 reals each para ma-consume yung consumable yung drinks and foods na area doon. So makikita nyo rin guys is parang open country open area lang po dito, open country kasi iba't ibang laing na dito of course. And ayun, dapat bawal din lumampas kasi may mga restriction na area doon kasi nandun po ang bahar na area, so hanggang doon lang dapat. So papakita natin yung bahar inside kasi since nandito po tayo sa labas, dito lang sa area na to. Hello. My vlog. From where? You're from where?
I'm from here, local.
Local?
Beautiful beach, yeah?
Beautiful beach. What can you say about the Sandy Beach here?
I think it's really nice, and I wish that they build on it, you know, become bigger. Even
Bigger, yeah,
because
yeah.
it's nice. I think it's beautiful.
It's
I
good.
have
It's
my
beautiful.
child.
You have the family here, there, and the family also here.
And they have the other paid side of the
I think
beach.
this one is in the Bahar, right?
Yeah.
Bahar, yeah.
It's beautiful. I love it. I think they will build more sand beaches.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
It's
Yeah.
a little shallow water, but they're gonna fix it.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. And follow my YouTube channel. Yeah. Thanks. Ayun guys, yung Soul na area. Pero may restriction lang, hanggang doon lang lamang. Diba? Perfect. Ito, Anway, napaka-open. Nandun yung Alcobar na sign. Ayun yung family na in-interview natin earlier. And doon yung Soul. Diba? May nagbabantay talaga. Ayun, may tibawi pang layan dito. Hi kabayan!
Hello po.
Kumusta? Welcome to my vlog for a while. And anong masasabi niyo sa lugar pa lang na pinuntahan niyo ngayon yung Sandy Beach?
First time lang namin
First
pumunta
time?
dito.
So maganda?
Ganda.
Saan kayo galing?
Lamam.
Damama! Sige, enjoy kabayan! Ayun. Eh, marami din kabayan dito na pumupunta actually. Diba napakaka-unwind? So, ayun, may nag-relax. And everything perfect. Diba? Kasi parang naging open, ano na siya. Napakasaya. Kasi bago to dapat i-ano natin i-vlog kasi I love Alcobar. I love Saudi Arabia for how many years here in Saudi Arabia, so we must to enjoy our life. You know, may iba't ibang lahi dito, di ba? May mga lokal na talagang napaka respectful, di ba? At perfect. Nakakaanuan kasi maganda na rin lugar, maraming lugar na nangyayari dito. Para maraming nagawa na rin yung Alcobar Municipality. So ayun, diba? So hello guys, kasama po rin po natin umuli ang ating kaibigan from India, and tell me about your name.
My name is Sheikh Uzair Ahmed. I'm from India.
From India. And how about you, little princess?
My name is Amaya Fatima. I'm from Hyderabad.
Amaya Fatima, actually. Okay, Ahmad, what can you say about the Sandy Beach here in Alcobar?
It's so cool and it's like so sunny out that it's new, like Alcobar, and it's very cool.
It's very cool, no? How about you, Amaya? What can you say about Sandy Alcobar
I
here?
love the Alcobar. It's so beautiful, and there's one slide.
Oh, it's nice. So, and hoping that you for the 2030 for there's new Saudi,
Yeah, well,
right? Saudi welcome. So,
Yeah.
how long have you stay here in Saudi Arabia? How long now?
if we are supposed to go, then okay.
So how long you stay now here? How many years now you stay here now with your mama and baba?
More 4 years or 5 years.
4 years. So you will stay in 4 years. So
Yeah, then
thinking,
we will go to India, then we will come to here to visit, and see the World Cup.
Alright, so just keep vlogging so that you can, be all the people know you about your vlog, huh? And I will put the YouTube channel of my friend so that you can follow also. Thank you so much, Mai.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, bye-bye. So yun guys, nasaksihan na po natin ang laman ng Sandy Beach, ang kung saan po maraming tao dito na pumupunta and po enjoying the life of Filipino and the life of other nationality, of course. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe and likes para lagi ka updated sa aking channel, and see you for my next vlog. Bye bye. So about what can you say about Sandy Beach?
It's cold.
It's very cold.
Yeah.
And what?
Very nice.
Very nice. So there's a lot of people now.
Too much people.
And you enjoy. That's all for today's